it's just snapped off. Ooh. Yeah, I have to be very, very careful around here. Hello guys and welcome to Mission Italy. Today I'm trying to catch some saltwater fish and I'm using those fish bites, and with them I caught a shark and a kingfish in the US. So yeah, let's start fishing. So now I'm trying to catch something with my twitch bait, and yeah, sometimes the birds are coming into the water, so that means there are fish. Yeah, I hope I catch some of those. The rod here because I think I have the better chance to catch something here than back there, but I'm still trying to catch something with my twitch bait. So yeah. Plenty clouds, but I don't think so I catch anything on this twitch bait here. And there I didn't get a single bite today. Yeah, I hope we will catch something. I just tied on the same rig that I had on the bait caster. And yeah, I'm now throwing the rig out and hope I catch something. But I'm not very, very sure I would catch anything, because it didn't seem like here are any fish. Yeah, we will see. On this rod I don't have any line left, so I hope there isn't a big fish coming on here, because then I think he will tear down all my line. I hope you can see it. Not very much left. So yeah, I hope I don't get a very big fish on here, but on the bait caster it would be good. I didn't got a single bite on this, and on this rod I'm staying here for like 3 hours and then I will go home. Yeah, if I don't catch anything then I have a video without any fish caught, but I hope I will catch some. So I just switched my spot. I was up there, but now I'm here. And yeah, and I tied a new rig on for some sardines with a very, 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 very small hook. I hope you can see it. And yeah, I hope I catch a sardine. And this is how for some other fish. And yeah. So first I have to look for some sardines. I hope I find some. When I walked up here I saw some, but I don't think that they are still here. Let's see some. And I have to look that I don't get wet. That would be nice. That wouldn't be nice. I have to search some of those. Yeah. I just found some. I hope they're still there. It was swimming there. Yeah, I think I'm going through there, but I don't think so that they are still here. So yeah. I have to be lucky to catch something here. And yeah, yesterday I caught a blue crab right there. And yeah, first crab that I ever caught. everything but a fish. Is this good? Yeah, that should be good. No, nothing's on there. Now there's some fish bites on and start fishing with them to catch some bigger fish, hopefully. And yeah, it's very, very beautiful. The fish bites are on and now I'm casting the rig out. Yeah. The sun is very, very beautiful. Yeah. If you have anything for me that I could make better, write it in the comments. And yeah, I would be very, very thankful for that. Ah, no. Nothing's on there. Where can I put the rods? I don't know where. I'm making it right there. Is this good? Yeah, it's good. Searching for the sardines now. Yeah. I think I just got a bite on the sardine. It could be off. Yeah. What happened to my hook? How? Okay, that's crazy. I don't know how that happened. The hook just snapped off. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah. I just tied on another hook and hopefully I will catch something now. Yeah, that's crazy. It's just snapped off. Ooh. Yeah, I have to be very, very careful around here. Ow. Yeah. Where are the sardines? Oh, there's a bird. I hope you can see it. What is it? You could write it down in the comments what bird this is. It's a very, very big one. Hope you can see it. Yeah, maybe that means that there are fish here. Yeah. But I don't know. I just cast it out and now I have to look for a spot where I can put the rod. Where can I do it? Yeah, here. No, here maybe? Yeah. That's good. Yeah, that's good. It's okay. Yeah, it's good. At the moment I didn't got a bite and yeah, but I'm here like for 10 minutes, not long, but I hope I will catch something. Something could be on there, but I'm not sure. No, I think nothing's on there. Yeah, I will let you know if something is on one of those rods. Yeah, but it's very beautiful and very chill. Now I'm getting the rig in, because I will throw it to another spot and check the bait. Yeah, it's still on it. Don't swim like that. And yeah, nothing bited it. Yeah. So it would be cool if I catch something, but I can't guarantee if something will bite on my rods. And how should we call the bird? Write some names in the comments. My new friend. Yeah, I just casted it out and hope that I will catch anything. I think I will also change the spot of the bait caster, because no bite on one of those. Yeah, I will get it in and then go to another spot. Yeah, everything's still on it. Where did I throw it? I think I threw it through there. Oh, yeah, that wasn't really good. Worst cast in Italy. Yesterday it was very cool because I got one very big bite and one crab. But today nothing is even interesting to my bait. Yeah, not every day is good, but maybe tomorrow. Yeah. So I have something special for you. It could be that we are going to drive with a boat, and from there I could fish. But I'm not sure, my family has to decide if we are going to drive with a boat. I hope we will do it, but I'm not sure. I just checked my bait and then I realized the bird flew away. Yeah, guess now I'm alone. Yeah, I just wanted to throw out the bait and then I got a bite on here, but I'm not sure if there is something on there right now. Nah, nothing. Yeah, one bite. It's okay. We will get a fish, hopefully. Yeah, I'm throwing the smaller rig out and hope that I will catch something right here where it is deeper. Yeah, but I'm not sure if I will throw that out, that rig, because yesterday it snapped one of those rigs here, so yeah, I think I want to throw that out. I think most of you don't know that Italy is one of the best places to go fishing for tuna. It's, I think, same as good like in Cape May or somewhere else in the US, or yeah, but it's very good to go fishing for bluefin tuna. And yeah, if you want to go fishing for bluefin tuna, which I'm not because I have some smaller rods, so yeah, I don't think so that this or this is ready to catch bluefin tuna. But yeah, if you want to go catch some bluefin tuna with the right gear, you can do it in Italy. Yeah, it's beginning to get cold, and I think in 10 minutes I will go home if I don't get any bites. And yeah, there is a water bottle in the water. I try to get it out. I think you can see it. Oh no, it's a trash can. I thought it's a water bottle. Yeah. Is here a stick or something? Yeah, here I have a stick. Oh shit. Oh, it broke off. Because something like that isn't quite cool. Yeah. Ah, I know. I could get it with my rod. And then I will throw it in the trash when I'm home. So yeah, I'm trying to get it. Yeah, I have it. Everything but fish. Even a trash thing. Even trash. Yeah. What do you think? Oh, it's a, I don't know, it will be anywhere here, the name of this thing, of this trash. And yeah, it's very chemical in there, so I don't want to really touch it. Yeah. If I see trash, I will get it out. I think I just got another bite of something. Oh no, it isn't on it. Yeah. I really thought I will catch something today. Because yesterday I caught a crab and I got a very good bite. And I were like fishing for 1 hour. And yeah, today I'm fishing for like 3, 4 or 5. I'm not quite sure. But yeah. I just got a bite on this rod. So no, it was a little bit longer than 10 minutes, but it's not a problem. It's cold, not very cold, but it's cold. And yeah, I think in the next video we will go fishing on a boat, but I'm not quite sure. So yeah, we see us then at the next video.